How to form or create an LLC in Arkansas. So all what you want to do, guys, is very simple. Just go to this website right here. It's called corpnet.com, and then scroll down. You will find this right here. You will find all the states that this website is gonna help you to create an LLC in. So right now we're gonna choose Arkansas like this. After you choose the Arkansas option, it will take you directly into this page. Now all what you want to do is wait a few seconds and then click get started here. Now it will take you to choose the plan that you want. For example, you can choose the basic plan. You can choose those options. For example, if you want the E number, tax ID number, and also you want, for example, business license research package, click continue. Now all what you want to do is very simple. Fill these informations here and click go to payment to pay, and after a few weeks or days you will receive your LLC easily and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.